Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add text to your video on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, just open a project, and if you want to add text to your video, just go to the lower bar, tap the text icon next to the audio and click to the first button, the add text. New, just type your text. You can find different style, effects, animation and bubble to your text, and you can customize that. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.